Welcome, here I've got Huawei Nova 8i and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit and focus on general category. Now at the first place we have assistive grid option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the camera, we can see these lines in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo. So when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the gallery button, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to right corner settings, slide down to general category, tap to assistive grid to turn it off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.